Building passive income for long-term freedom. A key promise of the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is its focus on creating passive income streams, which are essential for achieving financial independence. The ebook explains how to set up systems that generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort, such as automated affiliate marketing funnels or digital product sales. By emphasizing scalable models, it helps readers move away from trading time for money, a common limitation of traditional jobs. This shift allows for greater flexibility and the ability to focus on personal passions while income continues to grow. Picture this: starting with nothing, no money, no connections, no fancy tech, and turning it into $500,000 in just 6 months. That's my story, and it's not luck or a fairy tale. It's the result of one viral marketing secret that's shaking up the online business world in 2025. Ready to transform your life and build a multi-million-dollar empire? Grab the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide, link in the description, and let's dive into the secret that made it happen. From zero to hero. Here's the trick. Craft 15-second Instagram reels that grab attention and drive viewers to a free lead magnet, like a checklist or mini course. Each reel teases a solution to a specific problem, like struggling to save money? Try this, and directs viewers to a link in your bio. That link leads to a simple landing page where they sign up, entering your automated funnel. My first reel got 50,000 views, driving 2,000 signups. Within weeks, I was selling a $97 course, earning $10K a month. By month 6, I hit $500K. The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 breaks it down step by step. Grab it via the description link. Why it works in 2025. Instagram's algorithm loves short, engaging content, and in 2025, Reels are king. They're free to create, and with the right hook, they go viral overnight. My niche was personal finance, but this works for anything: fitness, pets, even knitting. The key? Consistency. Post 2 to 3 reels daily, and a funnel that converts. I used free tools like Canva for videos and Linktree for links. No budget, no problem. Ready to start? The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide gives you templates and scripts. Order it now via the link in the description. Your path to millions. Here's how you can do it. Pick a niche, choose something you love or see trending on Instagram. Create reels, film quick videos with a hook, solution, and call to action. Build a funnel. Set up a free landing page with System.io or similar. Sell a product. Offer a low-cost digital product to your email list. Scale. Reinvest profits into ads to grow faster. I started with a phone and grit. You can too. Get the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 for the exact strategy. Link in the description. Take action today. Don't wait for someday to build your empire. This viral secret is working now. Film your first reel today and watch the magic happen. For the full guide to millions, order the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide. Click the link in the description and start your journey to millions. A year ago, I was broke, scrolling through social media, dreaming of financial freedom. I'd tried every hustle, dropshipping, YouTube ads, even selling t-shirts, but kept hitting walls. Then, I discovered viral micro-content loops on Instagram Reels. This simple strategy, creating short, addictive videos that loop viewers into your sales funnel, changed everything. With $0, I built a $500K business in 6 months. Want to know how? The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 has the full playbook. Check the link in the description. The secret: micro-content loops.